How to fix WhatsApp PDF file not opening problem in Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If PDF file is not opening up in WhatsApp, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is update WhatsApp to the latest version. For that, you want to open Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar, and here you want to search for WhatsApp. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now, you want to check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to head over to your settings. Then you want to tap on apps. Now, you want to find WhatsApp from here. Then tap on the storage option. Here, tap on clear cache. After that, check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the problem might be that you do not have any PDF file reader on your device. If that is the case, open up Play Store and here you want to search for PDF reader. Then you can basically download any PDF reader from here. After you have installed it on your device, you want to open up WhatsApp. Then you want to open the conversation and then tap on the PDF file. And as you can see, the PDF file has now opened up. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.